I'm filming this because I've been listening to 432 megahertz because that's the right music for balancing your spirit, for positivity and groundness and all that is good. I never thought about playing it in the park right now with the birds, but listening what the birds are doing with this music. This is the most activity I've ever heard. Listen at the birds. You hear that music, but listen, you hear the birds. They have a circadian rhythm with this 432 megahertz like we do because we are literally from the dirt and the mud that formed and created us. But listen at these birds.